Hello children, welcome to Basic 3 Christian Religious Studies. My name is Obike Mata and our topic today is the promise of the Comforter. Wow. The promise of the Comforter. You can read John 14 verse 26 and Acts of the Apostle 1 verse 1 to 8. The promise of the Comforter. Jesus promised his disciples. He promised them that he will send a comforter to them. And who is that comforter? The Holy Spirit. Who is the Holy Spirit? The Holy Spirit is the Spirit of God. The Holy Spirit is a counselor. The Holy Spirit is that Spirit of God that comforts his children. Jesus promised his disciples, promised to send the Holy Spirit to them. The Holy Spirit is the third person in the Trinity. The promise of the Holy Spirit. The promise of the Holy Spirit. Jesus promised his disciples that when he leaves the earth, he would send another comforter. When Jesus was on earth, he was the comforter to the disciples. When he was about to go, the disciples, they were angry. They were angry. They were not happy that Jesus was about leaving them. Jesus promised them that he will send a comforter to them. That he will send someone that will help them. That he will send someone that will comfort them. That he will send someone that will be with them. And who is that person? The Holy Spirit. The coming of the Holy Spirit. The coming of the Holy Spirit. When Jesus left, Peter was the leader of the disciples. But when they encountered the Holy Spirit, their name changed from disciples to apostles. When they encountered the Holy Spirit, they were regarded as the apostles. Then let's look at the works of the Holy Spirit. Works of the Holy Spirit. Works of the Holy Spirit. Number 1, the Holy Spirit makes them to be fearless. They preach the gospel freely without fear. The Holy Spirit makes them to be bold. They have this courage to speak the gospel without any fear. They go from city to city preaching the gospel. They did not fear anybody. That is the work of the Holy Spirit. When they encounter the Holy Spirit, they deliver the gospel without fear. They preach the gospel. Like some people, if they are going for evangelism, they will tell you, I will not follow this road. I will not preach this side. I will follow this. I will preach in maybe I will preach, let's say, Awolowo Road. I'm not going to take Liberty Road. My friends are there. I don't want anybody that will laugh at me. Some people cannot preach to their friends. Some people can't preach to their friends due to they are not bold enough. Some people can't preach in public. They only prefer preaching in their houses. They prefer preaching with their family members. But when you ask them, when you go outside to preach, they cannot do it. But when the disciples encountered the Holy Spirit, they became fearless. Deliver them from all their trouble. Even when they were arrested, the Holy Spirit helped them. The Holy Spirit was with them all through their temptation. That is what Holy Spirit can do. Even when they are passing through trials, the Holy Spirit was with them. When you have the Holy Spirit in you, even in that problem, you will see a solution to it. The Holy Spirit will serve as a comforter. The Holy Spirit will serve as a director. The Holy Spirit will serve as your guardian. The Holy Spirit guides. Children, one needs to pray for God to send His Holy Spirit. We'll stop here. Still on same station, Den of Knowledge. Bye.